Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace rear door speaker. We'll demonstrate on the rear left door, but the rear right door will be exactly the same way, guys. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, including, guys, this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy replacement speakers, parts for your car, tools, guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so that way you can save even more money. Hopefully, guys, you'll subscribe. Let's go ahead. We'll show you now on a 2015 Dodge, guys, how to remove and how to replace, rear door speaker right here. As I said, this is on the rear left, but the rear right will be the same way. So first we'll need to go ahead and remove the door panel, and then we'll continue with the speaker. Let's start on the door panel removal now. So next, let's show you guys what we need to do. We need to remove a few covers here for the door panel, guys, because we have hidden screws and bolts somewhere. So right here now, what we're doing on the left side will be exactly the same for the right side as well. But we need to remove, that cover somehow. Okay. Just grab it, pull it out. Why we need to remove it? Because we have, guys, a hidden bolt or screw there with a 7mm socket. From what it seems like. So if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything like that, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below. So, or it's a little bit bigger, maybe it's an 8. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, we have quite a few things spilled there. We have coffee and something else, so definitely, guys, we need to clean it, otherwise, we cannot get the socket on top of it because of all that stuff, all that material. I'm trying to focus a little bit so you can see, but there is quite a few things here that actually prevent it from getting loose. So it is a 7mm, guys. We just had so much coffee or cappuccino, something spilled there really sticky that we couldn't get the socket on. We thought it was 8, but it's actually a 7mm. That way you will know for sure which one is yours. So this one is out. What about another one, guys? Okay, we have another hidden one under a cover, under the interior door handle, right there. Perfect. This cover came out. Let me show you. You have 3 clips holding it in place. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we have another one with a 10mm socket. Okay, it's coming loose, but we need to replace the battery on the impact because it's been extremely cold here in the shop, and at night it died. Now, as you can see, we have another screw right here. Do not remove this one now, guys, because this is holding the interior door handle to the door panel. This one stays there. The only bolt that we'll need to actually remove now is only that 10mm. And for some reason, it seems like those, sometimes are super tight. I don't know why, but sometimes they're super tight. So, with the new battery, no problem. Came out with this. This is the bolt right there. Now, that for now, let's remove that cover here. Make sure we don't have anything there, because sometimes we may have something and we'll need to leave the door panel up later. You're going to see why. This one has only 2 clips. Don't drop it like we did. Okay, let me focus quick. 1 clip here, 1 over there. And this one is out too. Now we need to get a plastic panel removal too, and we need to start getting those door clips loose, guys. So if we pry it like that, you can get even a screwdriver, but you have to be extremely careful. I recommend only panel removal tools. Those clips on Dodge, they're really complicated. We have the replacement ones in the description of the video below, because those are really, guys, really easy to break, by the way. You can see, how tight that door panel is. So we'll need to go ahead and pry quite a bit to get them loose, and sometimes they're in 2 different components, middle part of the clip and the outer part. And if when you remove the door panel, sometimes they will break and you have to replace them, so be prepared for that. So with the panel removal to the metal one now, the plastic one we won't be able to do that though. Okay, you just need to find where the clips are and push there. Okay, and when you do that, it should come loose. Okay, this one came loose too on this side. We just need to go up. You need to go all the way deep, guys. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Nope, you cannot go like that. You have to go the other way. Nope, the other way. Like this one. Yep. That's how they come off on this one. You cannot push towards the inside. Then when it gets loose at one point, see if you can grab it with your hands and shake it, pull it. Okay, after that you need to lift it up to come out of the canal, and now we need to disconnect a few cables, guys. Okay, and we need to, okay, one thing that we forgot, we had to remove the window switch, okay, before we actually remove the door panel. So let us show you how to do that now, so you can disconnect the door panel. Plastic panel removal too, go ahead and get that switch out. It has 4 clips. Let us show you quick where the clips are located. Okay, those metal things, press in, pull out, and now we have more room. Also, right here we have one wire, okay, that we need to disconnect. Okay, and now we'll have more room to show you everything about the cables and all that stuff. Next, guys, we need to disconnect the locking cable and the cable for opening the door. So how you do that? This one, you just grab and you have to pull it out. It has a kind of like it gets stuck here. Okay, so this one is super tight. Okay, I'm trying to grab it with my left hand. Okay, perfect. With the right one is a little bit better. You just get stuck. You can see how it's shaped. Now, what about this one here? We need to get pliers, guys. Okay, pliers, and we need to. Okay, let me disconnect that wire first all the way. Okay, just pull it, don't bend it because that's like a wire, and squeeze those two parts in at the same time and start pulling it out. But I don't have, okay, we need to lift the door panel a little bit. I cannot pull, okay, like that, because the door panel was holding me. Okay, and now we come out of here. Now let us show you where all the clips are located, guys, and how to remove a few that actually got stuck. Okay, you can see now we have 2 clips that actually stayed here, so we need to get a metal clip removal too, and we need to pry those out. We didn't break any clips. I don't know how we did that, but that centerpiece needs to actually stay on the door panel. Yeah, all we have to do is just find this one. Okay, just hold it with your hand. Perfect. And go ahead and slide it on the door panel. Now, let us show you where all the clips are located now, guys. Okay, facing the door panel. Okay, we found the other one too. Okay, this is it. So we have to do just slide it in the slot. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that hold that door panel in place, as you can see, just like that. So as you can see, with the door panel out of the way, we can access the rear door speaker, guys. Pretty easy. Now let me show you what we'll be using. Okay, I think it's Torx 25 star looking bit, guys. Okay, I focused. Okay, this one right here. If you're on the market for a good electric screwdriver, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We need to go ahead and remove 4. Okay, we have 4 screws that we need to remove in each corner of the speaker now. Okay, perfect. We're almost getting there now. what else we need to do? It will be stuck here, so we need to go ahead and pry a little bit because it has like a soft foam insulation. Careful, if you pry on your cable, guys, you break your cable, you can burn your sound system, so don't do that. Okay, we just need to find a loose spot somewhere, okay, to get in. Okay, and break it loose. It just got stuck, never been removed. That way it doesn't vibrate. It's kind of like a double-sided tape, but not so strong. And you can see the wire is actually on the inside. So all we have to do now, push in and pull out. And this is, guys, your door speaker. If this one is the one for the Alpine system, we have the links for the replacement parts and speakers in the description of the video below. Check it out. But that's how you guys do it. Practically putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.